Can I pay tribute to everyone who is convicted of a sexual assault? Can I also pay tribute to everyone not up to the job? I've got the biggest balls in 30 years. It's so useless. Does the Prime Minister hold any personal?
Well, Mr. Speaker, I've absolutely no doubt that the leader of the Labour Party is gumptious, and I would much rather
millions of people die.
don't vote for an unbelievable source.
He's obviously gone. He's crashed. His sexual assault at me. He's crashed into the well. Thousands of families have had their
Well, science. Let's calm down. We've only just started. The problem is he'll go on forever and never. Whoever's speaking or asking questions. Keir Starmer.
Shut up.
Mr. Speaker, this is the government that loves people who suffered terribly.
Calm down, Prime Minister. I'm not going to be challenged. You may be the Prime Minister of this country, but in this House, I'm in charge.
There you have it. The Prime Minister of this country, he's nowhere to be seen. So rather than blame everyone else, why doesn't he do his job and get the trains running?